Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It is Monday, October 12th. I'm just going to go over the markets with you for the day. It was extremely quiet. A lot of that I think had to do with the fact that it was Columbus Day. You did have trade, but the open outcry was closed, and I think because of that, that volume was just decreased, and you didn't see a whole lot of trade out there. It was quiet in both grains and meats. Coming in here, corn closed down 2 1/4, wheat closed mixed, beans closed up 1 3/4. You basically saw follow-through trade from Friday after Friday's reports. Not that you had a friendly bean report, it just wasn't negative like a lot of people were expecting, and so because of that, you're seeing a little bit of a bounce. Both days you haven't been able to see trade really follow through with what it's been trying to do. Beans were up 11 at one point on Friday, closed only up 6. They were up 6 at one point today, only closing up 1 3/4. Corn, you saw that pressure, and then wheat, you saw mixed trade on both sides of things, down anywhere from 2 1/4 to up about a half a cent there. Meat markets, you saw that same trade with live cattle up 22 1/2, feeders up just over $1.50, lean hogs up 50 cents. You were higher on the day, just fading a little bit. You did not see any bids for cash trade. You're probably seeing a couple more days out before you'll see that. Packers waiting to see how futures are going to hold up into this week. Outside markets were quiet too, with the dollar and the Dow staying close to steady. Your one aspect you saw of these markets that were not quiet was crude market down to over 250 as of about 2 p.m. today. A lot of that had to do with the fact that you came in here and got reports that production was the highest you've seen since 2012. And with that, you just really saw that crude market tank, starting to take back some of those profits it's had over the last couple weeks in strength. So overall, very quiet. These markets are trying to grasp onto any news they have to really push a direction, and they just can't find news. It's very quiet out there. You're seeing harvest rolling, yields seem to be coming in fairly well, and besides that, you just don't have a lot of news on the demand side of things. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk or loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.